Okay, I thought I'd make a short video here to show how to manually, more or less manually, mount the magazine to your table. You see I'm super gluing just a piece of HDPE to the table, and I'm going to mill that edge straight. It's a good way to line it up and keep it straight on the axes. So now I'm just finding the center of the holes with a 1/4-inch drill bit, and at this point you could just run deck screws if you're using an MDF bed or a plywood bed. But here I'm piloting for tapped holes. Well, actually I tapped the holes. So now I'm going to find the pockets or the pass-through for the longer tools, and I'm using a Forstner bit here that's just about the diameter. I think it was a 5/8" Forstner bit, and now I'm just going to drill out with I think 7/16" holes. Something bigger than the bit. It probably wouldn't get that big, but so now it's just a matter of bolting her down and removing the fence, put the arms on to test, slugging it in.